Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and software, so you choose the correct method. Back up your data to iCloud or make an encrypted Finder/iTunes backup. This preserves passwords and app data. You need your Apple ID credentials ready. If you don't have them, the device stays locked. Connect the iPhone to a computer with a lightning cable and open Finder or iTunes. Once connected, put the phone into recovery or DFU mode, following on-screen prompts, so the computer can manage the restore. You now restore the device to remove the passcode. First, make sure the phone is in recovery or DFU mode. Follow model-specific button sequences precisely. In Finder or iTunes, choose Restore when the app detects the device. This downloads the iOS firmware and erases the phone, which removes the passcode. Make sure automatic download's complete and that you do not unplug the cable. If download is slow, pause other internet activity. Once Restore finishes, the phone restarts without the old passcode. You finish by setting up the iPhone. Choose to restore your backup or set it up as new. Make sure you sign in with the same Apple ID to re-enable activation lock features. This secures the device and restores purchases. If activation lock asks for the previous Apple ID and you don't have it, you'll need proof of purchase and Apple support assistance. As a troubleshooting tip, if the restore fails, reboot the computer, update iTunes/Finder, and retry recovery mode. Repeated failures may need a different USB port or cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.